So we have done till conservation of linear momentum, and that too in inviscid region. So we saw that Euler equation was a special case of conservation of linear momentum in which region?
Let us move on to the next one.
In which region is this special case?
Inviscid region.
Inviscid.
Inviscid region of flow. So this was the governing differential equation called the Euler equation. Any doubts to anyone? So please always remember the inherent assumptions in this particular equation. One is inviscid. Any other? Any other assumption you have made while deriving this equation? Any other simplification have you made or not till now? Anyone? Chirag? Chirag? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So this was the general principle conservation of linear momentum. You came to Euler equation by making the inviscid approximation. Any other approximation do you require when you go from this to this? Any other approximation? Prashant?
Sir, not in viscous area.
Let us move
That is inviscid only. Any other assumption?
Viscous force are negligible.
This is already there. The only thing is you don't account for what?
Incompressible flow.
Incompressible. Have we talked about incompressibility till now?
No, sir.
No. So rho can
Continuum
be
बोल
a
सकते हैं.
constant or it can be a variable. So I think you know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So we were only interested in this part, not in the other part as such. That was one
Yes.
more assumption. One is due to classical mechanics and other is inviscid region of flow. Any doubts? So now I'm moving to the well-known Bernoulli's equation. Anyone? So Bernoulli's equation essentially involves conservation of, what should I write down? Conservation of what?
Energy,
Linear.
Bernoulli's equation.
Energy, sir.
Energy.
Which energy?
Potential.
Mechanical energy.
Plus kinetic plus.
So conservation of mechanical energy is given by Bernoulli's equation. Now you have conservation of linear momentum. How can you come to this conservation? You want to come from conservation of momentum to conservation of mechanical energy. How can you do this? Common sense. How will you do it?
Integration, sir.
हाँ जी. How
By
will you do it?
integration.
हाँ जी, क्या करेंगे?
सर इंटीग्रेशन से.
इंटीग्रेशन किसके साथ करेंगे आप?
v के रिस्पेक्ट में.
Then what
वेलोसिटी
will
के
you write?
रिस्पेक्ट में. जैसे लीनियर मोमेंटम को अगर हम mv मान लें तो अगर mv स्क्वायर बाय 2 आएगा जो वो इंटीग्रेशन से आ सकता है।
इंटीग्रेशन से कैसे आ सकता है वही पूछ रहा हूँ, क्या करोगे आप इसको? मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ। से दिस वाज अ पर्सन व्हिच हैड अ बॉल. This was say at some time t equal to 0 seconds. He came up here and he had a ball here. What is the change in potential energy of this ball? What is the change in potential energy of this ball? हाँ जी,
MGH sir.
mgh sir.
mg
mgh.
Yes sir.
If I ask you what amount of work did this person do to take this ball from this place to this place, what will be your answer?
MGH only.
mgh sir.
mgh. So mg was always acting down, but he was moving it
Up sir.
up. So the angle was
180 degree.
180 degree.
minus mgh.
So what are you seeing here? That work done somehow got stored into some sort of energy.
Yes sir.
Now with this background, now try to answer this question. How are conservation of linear momentum and conservation of mechanical energy related to each other? What should I do? This is conservation of linear momentum. I want to reach conservation of mechanical energy. What should I do? Quickly. Dipansh,
Yes sir.
what should you do?
No idea sir.
I have given you sufficient hint. Sayyid?
So I'm still thinking.
Okay. Rushi?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know?
I'm still thinking.
Subek?
Yes.
Subek?
तो सर सोच रहा हूँ अभी सर, बाद में बताऊँ।
इसमें इतने सोचने वाली क्या बात है? आपने वर्क डन क्या होता है?
मैंने तो f.ds.
डॉट डीएल.
yes sir.
ये क्या चीज है?
Force.
फोर्स. इसको क्या करूं
dot with
कन्वर्ट करने के लिए?
the displacement vector.
डॉट विद
Displacement vector.
displacement vector. Now it is clear.
Yes sir.
So what I am doing is I am taking dot product of the entire term with dl. मैंने ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ले आया हूं मैं ये दोनों को. That's why you have a negative sign here. These were on the right hand side. And please be careful in this. Force is a scalar or a vector quantity?
Vector.
Vector sir.
That's why please be careful here. This is a null vector. Zero vector. But when I take a dot product of this null vector, I get a scalar. And you also know that energy is also a scalar quantity.
Scalar.
So this was the conservation of linear momentum as applied to inviscid region of flow. So this is the starting point to derive the Bernoulli's equation. So Bernoulli's equation में inherent कौन सी assumption आ गई? Because this is the starting point, it means Bernoulli's has
compressible flow.
No, non-viscous.
Initial flow.
Bernoulli's equation. We have made one inherent assumption, that is it is also applicable to inviscid region.
Inviscid region.
Any clear है?
Yes sir.
Any doubts to anyone? Now if I take a dot product, now I want your help to write down these terms. Now if you take dot product of this with dl, what do you get? Minus del dot del p dot dl. What is this equal to? What is this equal to? What is del p dot dl? dl is what? Displacement of that control volume in any direction. This is given by this vector dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So what is this value equal to? Prashant,
Yes, sir.
what should I write down
आपने
here?
जो बोला consider right कर चलो पहले देवांशु कुमार ने बोला 4.7
What should I write down?
Roma 5 Roma 11 इतना difference
Jolene?
कैसे आ रही है Roma तुम्हारा गलत
Jolene,
Yes, sir.
what should I write down here? This is equal to what? First of all, what is del p?
सबको अलग अलग
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
This is dotted with this. What do I get?
Minus
Curly p
dp.
by curly x into dx, curly p by curly y into dy, curly p by curly z into dz. What is this equal to then?
Minus
dp.
dp.
Minus dp minus del p dot dl is equal to minus dp. Any doubts to anyone? Any doubts to anyone? So this term is minus dp. Clear? This dot dl is minus dp. Any doubts to anyone? What about this term? What is b vector? What is b vector?
minus
by byj.
bxi plus byj plus bzk. Can you let me know what are the dimensions of bx, by, bz, or in general b?
So by equals to g.
That is there. So what are the units of b? Force per.
Newton per meter cube.
What should I write down b as? Force per
Newton per
kg.
meter cube.
So what are the units of b? B have the units of force per kg. So this is essentially what will bx as far as earth is concerned. Do you have body force component in x direction and z direction?
No.
Sir.
No, sir.
This is equal to 0 and this is also equal to 0.
0, sir.
What is by equal to?
Minus g, sir.
Minus g.
Minus g. So now please be careful. First assumption was inviscid. What is the second assumption in Bernoulli's equation? Body force only acting in
Gravitation. Y-axis.
negative y direction. Clear? Any doubts to anyone? So rho b dot dl, this becomes equal to rho minus rho g d. What should I write down? Minus rho g
dA.
Please be careful. What should I write down? This is j cap dot dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So what will this give you?
बस minus rho g हो जाए, sir.
Minus rho g dy.
dy, sir.
Clear? Any doubts to anyone?
सर डी वेक्टर नहीं समझ आया.
कौन सा वेक्टर?
बी वेक्टर सर यही वाला.
बी वेक्टर,
बी.
ये वाला.
यस सर.
आप यहाँ पे ध्यान पे देखिए, ये देखिए, ये क्या है? फोर्स है ये.
यस सर.
ये बॉडी फोर्स है, तो ये बॉडी फोर्स है.
यस सर.
रो इंटू वॉल्यूम इंटू बी, तो बी के क्या यूनिट्स हुए? ये क्या मास?
यस सर.
तो ये क्या बेसिकली एक्सेलरेशन के यूनिट्स हैं इसके.
यस सर.
या इसको लिख दूं फोर्स पर यूनिट मास.
यस सर.
क्लियर है? तो B is body force on this volume in any direction. कोई B वेक्टर है, उसके तीनों कंपोनेंट हो सकते हैं.
यस सर.
What do you know? Body force is in negative
आई डायरेक्शन.
and By की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? -G.
यस सर.
क्योंकि B तो है फोर्स पर यूनिट मास, तो मास इंटू B इज फोर्स. तो B क्या होता है अगर आपको याद हो? mg करते हो आप.
यस सर.
So B is -G because this is in negative y direction. So B has three components x, y, z in general, but as far as Bernoulli's equation is concerned, we know that B has only one component, that is the y
Minus G.
component in negative direction, and that is -G.
यस सर.
Clear hai?
यस सर.
No discussions, please. I think somebody at the back is in a conversation. So please mute yourself. So I am putting here for clarity. So this is del P dot dl minus del P dot dl is equal to minus dP, and rho B vector dot dl vector is equal to minus G minus rho G dy. किसी को कोई भी डाउट इन टर्म्स में? So we have done with this term, we have done with this term. What about this term? Which is this term? Curly V by curly T. Looking at this, now let me know what is the difference between these two terms and these two terms. These were on the right hand side, these were on the left hand side. So which one of these is Lagrangian and which one of them is Eulerian?
First two are Lagrangian and last two are Eulerian.
So this is Lagrangian, this is
Eulerian.
Eulerian. Now if I have this term curly y v by curly t go to 0, what does that mean? This is steady state
Steady
of Eulerian frame of
state.
reference. So this should be clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear hai? This is not steady state in terms of Lagrangian frame of reference. It is steady state in terms of Lagrangian frame of reference. For instance, you had a nozzle like this. What you know, velocity at this point, as it moves here, will velocity increase or not?
Yes, sir.
So it is accelerating.
Yes, sir.
Accelerating in which frame?
The Lagrange frame, sir.
Lagrangian frame. But if you were the observer, to you, this is steady. Nothing is changing with respect to time. So please remember this subtle difference. So this is 0. Whenever I talk about steady state, I always talk about by default the Eulerian frame of reference. That should be clear. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, I have done with the third term as well, this term as well. I am only left with this term. So this term is found by a mathematical manipulation by using this identity. This is a mathematical identity which simplifies this term, because as such it is difficult to say something about it. So we have converted it into two terms. This is a standard vector identity. Now we will dot these two terms with dot dl and try to see what they result in. So please be careful. What I have done is I have done this dot with dot dl, this with dot dl. This essentially goes to 0. This term I have written down as sum of two terms by using this vector identity. I still need to dot it with dl. Now what about this term?
Excuse me, sir. So we have assumed that it is steady state, sir.
क्या कह रहे हो?
So we have assumed in Bernoulli that we have assumed that it is steady state. No,
Yes.
it will be steady.
Yes.
Okay.
So please remember, first was inviscid, second
Body force acting in negative y direction.
body force only in
Negative y direction.
negative y direction, third
Steady flow.
steady flow from
Euler impulsion.
Eulerian frame of reference, fourth G is a constant, fifth rho is a constant. So Euler equation only had which assumption?
First.
First. So we have added till now 4 more assumptions. And clear hai?
Yes, sir.
So now this term in blue could be written down as what? If you dot it with dl. If you dot it with dl, what will happen? I want to dot this with dl. Half del v dot v dot dl. What should I write down?
Sir, vector triple product.
Vector triple product. First of all, can you let me know what is this term? What can this be written as? आप इसको याद करो, आप क्या कर रहे थे? आप ऐसे करो याद कि डेल पी होता था, डॉट डीएल करते थे, वो क्या आता था?
dp.
डीपी. इसमें कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है, देखो.
सर इस पूरे टर्म को p मान के अगर चलें,
हाँ, तो ये v डॉट v क्या होता है वैसे? v cos 0. So this is v square.
yes sir,
Can you take half inside? This is a constant.
Yes. Sir.
yes sir,
So what does that mean? Del v square by 2 dot dl. Now let me know what should be this equal to. This is p only.
yes sir,
You can write down this as d
dv v square by 2.
v square by 2. Clear hai? Any doubts? So this is d v square by 2. If you dot it with dl. Any doubts to anyone? And if you remember, what is this term? What is
Z.
curl of velocity vector? Vorticity
What is it, sir?
represented by zeta. Will this be a scalar quantity or vector quantity?
Vector quantity.
Vector
quantity होगी.
Vector quantity. So I have put it here for your clarity. If you have any doubt, please ask me. I have written down neatly each and every term. If you have any doubts, please ask me. This is the first term, second, third, this is fourth, and this is fifth.
Sir, I have a doubt in fourth term.
this term.
यस सर, जब आपने v स्क्वायर बाय 2 का डेल ऑपरेटर सर कैसे ले सकते हैं? v स्क्वायर सर मतलब ये तो स्केलर क्वांटिटी नहीं होगी v स्क्वायर बाय 2।
अच्छा, ग्रेडियंट किसका लेते हो हमेशा?
स्केलर फंक्शन का।
स्केलर फंक्शन का। तो ये क्या है?
Scalar.
स्केलर फंक्शन ही है ना ये।
यस सर,
अब क्लियर है?
यस सर।
So that's why we could take the gradient of this. So gradient of anything dot with dl gives you derivative of that. Are you clear है? Any doubts to anyone? Any doubts to anyone in any of those terms? Fifth term clear है आपको? Last term? Is this term clear to you? This term is clear to you or not? Here there was del cross V. I have put instead zeta, that is vorticity vector, and these are x, y, z components of that vorticity vector. Is that clear to you or not? Hanji. Any doubts to anyone? If you have any doubts, please ask me. If I ask you A cross B is equal to what in a determinant form, what should you write down?
I J K
I cap
I J K फिर partial
I J
derivative
by
K.
del x
AX,
A Y A Z
BX.
B Y B Z.
अब ये क्या हुआ हुआ है इसके साथ?
सर डीएल वेक्टर।
अब कैसे करोगे आप? अब इसमें बताओ, पहले बताओ V क्रॉस जीटा क्या होगा? I J K. What is V? UV
U V W
W. This is zeta X.
Zeta
Z. You are dotting it with
DL.
DL.
what should that be? अगर इसको सॉल्व करते क्या आता? सिर्फ इसको I
सर
zeta
zeta
Z minus W
zeta y
Theta y.
minus cap
J.
minus j cap
What?
u zeta z minus w zeta x
minus W zeta X plus K cap U zeta Y
zeta y
minus V zeta X.
zeta x।
अब इसको पूरे को आप डॉट डीएल करते क्या आता आंसर?
सर v zeta x और w
कैसे
zeta
आता है?
y
dx I plus dy j plus dz k.
Right. yes
तो I बेसिकली किससे रिप्लेस होता?
dx
dx से. y किससे रिप्लेस होता? सॉरी j किससे रिप्लेस होता?
dy से
dy से. और k
dz से
तो आप समझ गए. तो यहाँ पे क्या आता है बेसिकली? I j की k की बजाय
dx
DX divided DZ.
क्लियर है?
yes sir
अब क्लियर है ये?
yes sir clear
Any doubts to anyone? Any doubts to anyone? Should I move forward?
yes sir
So what we have done is we have taken Euler equation. We have dotted the Euler equation with dl vector, that is any displacement vector. And now we are simply making certain simplifications, nothing more than that. Clear? So I am left with this. So now be careful here. This was dp gdy, this was rho dv square. So everything like this. What can you write down this as? This can be written down as this. And clear hai?
Yes.
yes sir
Derivative of all the terms. Clear? And I have divided by rho because I have assumed rho is a
Constant, sir.
Constant. Now derivative of this term is equal to this. Now Bernoulli's equation, if you remember, is something that sum of these terms equal to 0. That is P upon rho plus gy plus v square upon 2 is equal to a
Constant, sir.
constant. This can only be constant when this is
0, sir.
0. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts to anyone? So I'm again putting here. First was implicit body force in
Or minus 5 direction.
negative y, then g constant, rho constant,
Steady flow.
steady flow from
Euler equation. Euler
Euler frame of reference.
Euler.
Any other simplification have you made?
This is 6.
Which is the sixth one?
Irrotation.
Irrotational.
अभी नहीं आया, हमें रोटेशनल पे नहीं है, यहीं पे प्रॉब्लम है. नाउ ये 5 तो कॉमन है यहां तक. नाउ प्लीज बी केयरफुल. व्हेन कैन दिस डिटर्मिनेंट बी 0? व्हेन कैन दिस डिटर्मिनेंट बी 0? डिटर्मिनेंट कोई भी 0 क्या होता है, आपने मैथमेटिक्स में पढ़ा है अगर.
2 रोज या कॉलम सेम हो
कोई
जाए.
भी सेम रोज या कॉलम हो जाएगा फिर एक
सेम रोज का कॉलम्स आपस के मल्टीपल हो या
जैसे मल्टीपल हो.
तो पहला क्या हो सकता है, या तो पहले सबसे सिंपल करें कि कोई टर्म ही 0 है, कोई रो ही 0 है.
रोज 0 हो जाएगी तभी होगी.
तो क्या रो ये 0 हो सकती है? क्या ये 0 हो सकती है?
No sir.
नो सर.
ये नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि फ्लो ही नहीं होगा. फिर
Sir, vorticity 0 हो सकती है rotation.
ये 0 हो सकती है.
Yes sir.
तो इट मींस
Irrotation.
रोटेशनल फ्लो.
रोटेशनल फ्लो. और ये 0 हो सकती है. हाँ जी. neither this cannot be 0
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
because this means displacement is 0, this means velocity is 0. So both are not physically possible. Clear? One way this could go to 0 is that it is
Irrotation.
irrotational.
रोटेशनल.
Please now let me know P upon rho plus gy plus v square upon 2 is equal to constant. Now this is 0. Does it matter in which direction is dl pointing? Does it matter that this was irrotational region of flow? dl ऐसे भी जा सकता था, ऐसे भी जा सकता था, इस तरह से जैसे मर्जी मूव करे. ये क्या ये फिर
Yes.
कांस्टेंट ही आएगा हर चीज?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
What does that tell you? So this is a global constant. This is a
Global constant.
global constant. So this holds true, that is, this is a constant anywhere in this inviscid irrotational region of flow. Is that clear? There is no particular direction of dl which you need to consider. You can take any direction you choose. If it is irrotational, you know that this is the constant. Now come to much more complicated problem. In which other ways can this determinant be 0? One we have identified, irrotational.
Irrotational.
What are all others? When this and this are linear combination of each other.
Yes, sir.
So what does that mean? Dx upon u.
2 upon dy by u.
So what is
Sir.
what is this? If you
Streamline.
Streamline equation.
equation of a
Streamline.
streamline. So what does that mean? If this is a flow along a streamline, if you choose a point A, you choose a point B, what does that tell you? What does that tell you? PA upon rho plus GYA
GY.
plus VA square by 2 should be equal to PB upon rho
Yeah,
plus
B,
B by
by
B
B
plus
VB square by 2.
upon 2. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Now let me know if there was another point, say C here, which was not on this streamline, will this be equal to PC upon rho plus GYC plus VC square upon 2 or not? Will these two be equal to C also or not? C is not on the same streamline. And will it be equal or not? Chirag. Will this be equal to or not for point C? This is correct. PA by rho GYA plus VA square by 2 is equal to PB plus P by B by rho plus GYB plus VB square by 2. Will this be equal to this or not? And anyone? Anyone? So
It will
Sthanu,
be equal, sir.
No, sir, not equal.
not equal. Because I have made this equal to 0 for the special case that is along
Streamline.
Streamline.
So please remember, if it is rotational flow also, then also this can be a constant, but then it will be constant along a,
Streamline.
Streamline.
are you clear? Hai?
Yes, sir.
But if it was irrotational flow, then will this be equal or not?
It will be equal,
It
sir.
was irrotational flow.
It will be equal, sir.
It will be equal because in that case that was a global constant.
Global
Well-
constant.
Are you clear? Hai?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts to anyone? What are other situations in which this could go to 0? We have identified one is zeta itself is 0. That is called irrotational flow. One is dx upon u, dy upon v, dz upon w. This is flow along a
Streamline.
line. Anything else? This you can also have, that is u upon
X.
beta x, v upon
Beta
beta
y.
y, w upon
Right.
beta z. Or this thing also.
Yes, sir.
Anything else? Anything else? Try to see here. This is the, when can this be 0? When this is perpendicular to,
DL.
that is when V cross zeta is perpendicular to PL. Then also this will go to 0. But please remember that it will go to 0 only in which cases of DL? Which happen to be perpendicular to this vector. Then also it is not a global constant. So I am putting here all the cases. Please be very careful. So this could be 0. This is one case, that is DL is directed along streamline. So then P upon rho plus GY plus V square by 2 is equal to constant along a streamline for this case. If it is irrotational, DL can be directed in
Any direction.
Any direction, it means P upon rho plus gy plus v square upon 2 is equal to constant everywhere in inviscid irrotational region of flow. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or this could be the case, or this could be the case. So please remember, this is the only case in which you need not bother that what is the location of the point on which you are applying Bernoulli's theorem. So that should be clear in your mind. So I am putting here for your understanding. So this was an aerofoil. This was the flow. This was the flow. First of all, where can you apply Bernoulli's theorem? I am marking regions here. Where can you apply Bernoulli's theorem?
A and D.
A and
D.
A and D. So please remember, you can apply only Bernoulli's theorem to A and D. You cannot apply to B and C. First thing, because here their inviscid is not there. Second, so this was, I am putting here so this was, it means it is
Rotational.
rotational. What does that tell you? So this is point A, this is point B. So there was another streamline here. This was point C, this was point D. Then what does that tell you? It will be equal for
A and B.
A, B, and D.
C, D.
All.
Four.
It is a
All
rotation.
four, sir.
And you clear है?
Yes, sir.
Now if it was not a rotational here, here it is rotational, then what should I mark? If this is point A, this is point B, and this was say another streamline, this was point C, this was point D, then what should you say? It will be equal for
A and
B.
B.
A and B, and it will be equal for C and D independently,
Yes, sir.
which are along the same streamline. So please be careful while applying Bernoulli's equation. You should always consider that what all assumptions have you made to get into that equation. And clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts to anyone? Any doubts to anyone regarding Bernoulli's equation, regarding Euler equation, and regarding what are the inherent assumptions in deriving the Bernoulli's equation? So please remember, there can be an unsteady Bernoulli's equation, but in that case, what will you need to do? If I say it is a, you derive the equation for unsteady Bernoulli's equation, then what does that mean? Then that means you cannot put which term equal to 0?
dV by
Del V
dt.
del T.
Del
So this will not be equal to
0.
0. And then you will not get this kind of simplified expression. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So for unsteady, you don't have this kind of Bernoulli's equation. You have a very different kind of Bernoulli's equation that you also can derive. So the more stringent conditions you have, that is lesser the number of assumptions, you will have a different expression from this. So that should be absolutely clear in your mind. This is not the universal case. This is just a special case of the more generalized conservation of mechanical energy. Clear? So I will break for today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will continue with this in the next lecture. Any doubts to anyone regarding
Sir,
हाँ
सर इसमें हमने इनकम्प्रेसिबल फ्लूइड कहीं कंसीडर नहीं करना.
किया है. रो इज अ कांस्टेंट.
वो कांस्टेंट.
रो कांस्टेंट की वजह से ही हम इसको ऐसे कर पाए हैं. आप ये देखिए, ये वाली चीज को मैं ऐसे तभी लिख पाया हूं. अगर रो कांस्टेंट नहीं होता तो पहली बात तो इसमें भी आता है ये, प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाना पड़ता मुझे. सो रो इज अ कांस्टेंट. So please remember again, rho is equal to constant is just one type of incompressibility. अगर मैं बोलूं rho is not a constant and still the fluid is incompressible. Is this statement true?
No, sir.
Think about it. I am giving you 30 seconds. This is correct. We will discuss
sir.
why. If rho is a constant, so that is incompressible.
कोई
पक्का
और
बता.
तरह की इनकम्प्रेसिबिलिटी हो सकती है.
But if rho is not equal to constant, then it is not mandatory that it is compressible. It can still be compressible. We will get to know how. So please remember, rho is equal to constant is just one type of incompressibility, not the universal one. So I will break for today. We will continue with this in the next lecture.
Okay.
Okay.